The ABCs of chicken farming. A. Choosing the right breed. The first step in chicken farming is selecting the right breed for your specific goals. Different breeds are suitable for various purposes, such as egg production, meat, or ornamental purposes. B. Setting up the co-op. A well-designed chicken coop is essential for the health and safety of your flock. Consider size and space, ventilation, nesting boxes, roosting bars. C. Nutrition and feeding. A balanced diet is crucial for the overall health and productivity of your chickens. Choose a high-quality commercial feed appropriate for the chicken's age and purpose, and ensure a constant supply of fresh, clean water. D. Health and hygiene. Vaccinations, parasite control, and cleanliness should be observed. E. Breeding and reproduction. This includes mating behavior, incubation, and chick care.